Good day everyone, my name is Brian Richmond J. Tuazon. I'm from BC 1F, and now I will discuss the topic linear momentum of the subject Physics for Engineers. So now I will show you an example about linear momentum. A 72.3 kg man runs with a speed of 3.13 meter per second in the positive x direction. What is the man's momentum vector? Yung man daw na may mass na 72.3 kg ay tumatakbo sa positive x direction na may speed na 3.13 meter per second. So ano daw yung momentum? So ito yung ginagamit nating symbol para sa momentum. Okay. So we have formula for momentum na E is equals to mv. So since given na yung mga kailangan nating ilagay sa formula, input lang yung mass niya 72.3 kg multiply to velocity na 3.13 meter per second. So pag kinalculate yan, ang magiging final answer ay 226 kg times meter per second. So ito na yung final answer na yung momentum nga. Yung momentum, ang unit niya is kilogram times meter per second.